Are you looking for an AI music generation tool? You're in the right place. Creators alike are all having a look at Aiva. They're also having a look at Soundraw. They want to know which is the best, and today we are going to uncover which one comes out on top. Okay, let's have a look at Aiva. So Aiva is AI powered music, and it's amazing. You got to actually give it a go. You got to try it out and see how amazing it actually is. It represents a breakthrough in artificial intelligence driven music creation. It's empowering creators to generate original compositions without traditional musical training. This platform is now transforming how music is conceived, produced, and even distributed across industries, from film scoring to game development and even beyond. Let's have a look at some of their core technology. So, their deep learning architecture. Aiva employs sophisticated neural networks trained on over 30,000 scores, from classical masters like Bach and Mozart to modern composers, enabling it to understand musical theory, musical structure, and emotional resonance. User customization. So this is where it gets interesting. The platform allows precise control over your genre, mood, tempo, instrumentation, and compositional structure. This gives you, as the user, the ability to really fine-tune every aspect of the AI-generated compositions. The next important thing, output flexibility. Compositions can be exported as professional MIDI files, audio tracks, or complete orchestral scores. This provides versatility for different production environments and even different workflows. The last thing over here is their creative applications. So, first of all, their media production. Filmmakers and game studios leverage Aiva to create emotional, contextual, appropriate soundtracks without licensing constraints. The AI can even generate variations on themes to match scene progression and emotional arcs. You also get the composer assistance. So you get a professional composer to use Aiva to overcome creative blocks and explore new musical directions. The platform can generate compositional sketches that musicians then elaborate upon, creating a collaborative human AI workflow. Also, it integrates with industry standard DAWs like Logic Pro, Ableton Live, and Pro Tools, allowing seamless incorporation of AI compositions into existing production pipelines with plug-in functionality. We're having a look at Soundraw now. Soundraw is empowering digital content creators with an extremely intuitive AI-driven platform that generates original, royalty-free music tailored to specific creative needs. Unlike traditional music libraries, Soundraw creates unique compositions on demand. This eliminates licensing complexities while delivering production-ready tracks in minutes rather than days or even weeks. So let's have a look at how it actually works. First of all, you begin by selecting from 15 mood categories and then 22 genre options, ranging from lo-fi beats to orchestral arrangements, establishing the foundation or the character of your composition. The next thing is the AI generation. So Soundraw's proprietary algorithms analyze thousands of musical patterns to compose original tracks that align with the selected parameters, ensuring that each creation is unique while still maintaining professional quality standards. The next thing is the customization. So the intuitive interface allows non-musicians or non-technical users to adjust everything from tempo. You can dynamically add or remove instruments. You can modify section lengths, and you can even fine-tune emotional intensity, all with immediate audio feedback, and that is actually awesome. Then your last step, of course, is to export, and here you can finalize your tracks, and it can be exported in multiple formats, and it can be directly integrated with popular video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and even DaVinci Resolve. The next thing over here, and the last on our list is the impact and user cases. So over 850,000 YouTube and TikTok creators now use Soundraw for channel-specific soundtracks that enhance brand identity while avoiding content ID claims that often plague traditional music libraries. Also, digital marketing agencies report a 40% cost reduction in commercial production by eliminating traditional music licensing fees and composer hiring, while still maintaining emotionally targeted soundtracks for their campaigns. Also, launched in 2025, this groundbreaking feature allows blending of emotional states, and it creates nuances soundtracks that better mirror the complex emotional journey in modern storytelling. Soundraw is really pushing the boundaries. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, some of the best software in the industry. Now, if you take it from me, I would go ahead and use a few different software tools to see what actually works for me. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.